In this video, I want to talk about carbonyl groups. So carbonyl groups are those kind of functional groups that we have carbon to oxygen double bonds. So it has to be one side is carbon, one side is oxygen, and we have double bond. The carbonyl group is common to many of the organic compounds families. For example, aldehydes have carbonyl group, ketones have carbonyl group, carboxylic acids same, sters, thioesters, amines, and acid chlorides. As you see here, we have different pictures for each of them. We have aldehydes, as you see here, it has carbonyl groups. We have ketones, ketones have carbonyl groups. Carboxylic acids, they have carbonyl groups. Esters, they have carbonyl groups. Thioesters, they have carbonyl groups. Amide, we have carbonyl groups. And we have acid chloride, they have carbonyl groups as well. In other videos, I will go through the details of each of these families.